Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how a veterinarian or vet can download a free assessment form for their day-to-day practice. So let's just check it out. So you need to type a URL NiftyHMS.com. The URL is also there in the description, so do use that. Go to resources, then navigate to free downloads. Over here you will see the free assessment forms. Click on vet assessment form. So here you will see different languages, Nordic language, English, French, Hindi, Portuguese, Italian. Click on English language. Here you will have dedicated page to download the vet form for the veterinarians. Click on the PDF icon and it will open up the pop-up where you need to enter your email and your name. So let's just add an email and name over here. So once you add your email and name, you will be able to download a free PDF. So just click on download free PDF button. This will show you a message that you have successfully subscribed to free PDF. Check your email for the link to download the PDF. So now just sometimes the email lands in the spam folder, to do check that as well. So we go to email inbox and here we have the email. Just click on the please confirm your email address link. So once you click the link, it will open up the free vet assessment form. So here is the form. It's a multi-page form that you can browse through and see what are the sections that's useful for day-to-day life. You can also see the top download and print button. If you want to download this PDF in your local machine, you can do that, or you can also print the PDF through your printer and use it in day-to-day life. Thanks for watching the video today, and do subscribe to us. Thank you.